We went ahead and cleaned up just so it looks a little bit better. And we try to keep it clean in here and uncluttered. It's just that when you're working all the time, it's fast paced. There's a lot of building materials that have packaging, and you end up with a lot of trash to package. So what I'm gonna do is try to get these joints caulked. It was 35 degrees when I got here this morning. It's warmed up a bit, it's in the 40s now. The sun is shining on this material right here, so it's nice and warm. And I've had the caulk sitting in the front windshield of the truck for about 5 minutes, so I think that'll be fine too. I'm not sure how it's gonna go for the back because the back is still cold to the touch. The sun does not ever hit the back of the house, and you get a lot less sunshine back there in the wintertime. So I'll play that one by ear. But I'm gonna get busy on this and see if I can get this wall caulked. Well, that's the first coat. It is what it is. There's no rain in the forecast for tonight, but tomorrow and a couple more days this week, it's supposed to rain. So as long as this dries and sets up properly by tomorrow, good to go. Well, we've been waiting a long time for this, and we finally got the roofers on site. They have been working hard today, getting the fascia up, getting the soffit up. This is definitely a good sight to see. you doing? Making use of the burn barrel. Oh, that is looking good. I cannot wait till next week when we've got this roof on here. Then we come up here and we can start a fire in the wood stove. That means I got to order a couple more pieces for the chimney, but that suits me just fine. Take a little bit more picture from up here on this hill so I can match it in next time. This is what we did last weekend, which I think came out looking really good. I mean, that's just one coat of paint. It's obviously going to need at least one more, but looks really good. Sealed up nice. Yeah. Looks like there's some moisture in those clouds. I'm hoping that stuff doesn't drop on us anytime soon. Thankfully, it's not cold enough for snow. I'm hoping it stays that way because that snow's been a pain.
I wanted to take a look at that very fancy brake that they had set up in there to get the metal bent to do the fascia. I had to kill the sound on this one little piece of the clip because they had some music playing and I don't have licensing for it.
Alright, I need to measure, find out what kind of piece I need for that wood stove, go home and order it, make sure it gets here in time for this weekend. And if not, I need to go to the wood stove store here and buy one. Oh, good morning. Getting a good start on the day today. They just finished putting all of the soffit and fascia coating on there. So now that that's all done, they're getting ready to start laying out the pans and put the actual roof on. Jafana and I are working in the orchard today because even though it was 28 degrees this morning, it's been warm enough that the buds are starting to come out. We're starting to have some of our trees bud out and they'll be flowering before we know it. So I've got to get all the grass cut and everything tidied up. You can see, if you look at the trees, the grass grew. We didn't cut everything down last year at the end of the season, but we got most of it down. But even over winter, we still had some growth in this grass, and everything's starting to green up right now. We need to knock all this old growth down and get in here and tidy everything up. We've got some pruning to do. It's going to be a big weekend in the orchard, but we're going to get back up on the house a little bit too. It gives us an opportunity to get in here and do this and stay out of their way at the same time. And I've got another camera up there doing a time lapse, so hopefully that'll turn out all right. Well, we put in about 5 hours of work out here and tightened it up really nice. You can see across the orchard. Got all the grass knocked down. Gotta get these tools up. Now tomorrow, while they're working on my roof, I think they're gonna be back tomorrow, Sunday, but they said they'd be here all weekend. I'll come back here and repair the fence. So while we were down here working in the orchard, they made some pretty good progress on the roof. started this first deck. Man, that looks sharp. That looks sharp. Well, now, we came home today after working in the orchard, and I had a delivery. What have we here? I'm pretty sure I know what this is. Let's see here. Certainly packaged it well. Nice. Set that aside. This is what we need to connect the wood stove at the new house. Sweet. Still got a couple more parts that haven't shown up yet, but today was a beautiful day in the afternoon. This morning, it was 28 degrees. When we got up there, it was still 31 degrees. I would have been more than willing to spark up a fire if we were working inside the house. There's no question about it. So I am really looking forward to getting things going and having that wood stove available in the next week or so. And thankfully, we'll have the roof on, which means I can use the wood stove. I'm pretty happy about that.